In this video, we are going to go over the process of downloading our app and placing orders with ease. We'll talk about how to access the website, how to download the app, how to place orders, and how to check your order status. First, you need to visit the website from a Google Chrome browser. You can access the website from any other browser, but for this process, you need to use Google Chrome. Open the browser and type in shop.omnibiz.com. If this is your first time on our app, please click register now and register. You will then be taken to the login page. When you're logging in, make sure to use the same contact you provided to Omnibiz for your verification process. Here, you need to enter your details and make sure it is the same phone number gives the agent that registered you. Then click on proceed. You will get an SMS or a WhatsApp message on that phone number containing a 4-digit verification code. Enter the code and click verify. Your phone number will now be verified. The next step is to confirm your address. You will see the address you provided during your verification process. However, if this address is not accurate, please go ahead and correct it by clicking on New Address and saving a new one. Let's proceed by clicking on the Save button. Now that you have successfully saved your delivery address, you'll be taken directly to the store. In the store, you can see a huge variety of products which you can place orders for. At the top of the page, you can browse the products by tags. So if you want to see items of a particular category, you can just click on the tag and only the products under that category will be shown. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific product name and you will see all results for that name. To download this app to your phone for easy access, click on the app menu right here and the menu will slide out. At the bottom, you will see the option to install the app. Click on the install button. A pop-up will come up. Click on add and it will add Omnibiz as an app on your phone. You can see this colorful icon that says Omnibiz. That is the app added to your app list. When you click on the icon, you'll be taken straight to the store the same way it is on the browser. But it is more convenient to use the app because you don't need to log in or type any websites anymore. It also does not take much space on your phone. So let's go ahead and place an order for a couple of items. Click the Add to Cart button. Use the plus and minus buttons to add or reduce the quantity of items, or just type in the number. You will notice at the top right corner of the app that your cart is displaying the number of all the items. When you have selected all your items, click on the cart icon to go to your cart. You will see all the items on your cart listed here. Click on Proceed to checkout. Your order will be placed successfully. You will be redirected to the orders page. You will see all your pending orders here. You can easily get to this page by clicking the app menu and clicking on orders. At the top of the page, you can see the order that we just placed. Also, when your order is on the way to be delivered to you, you also see the status change on this page. That's all you need to know about placing orders from the app. Thanks for watching.